guys, morning, it's Som here. So today let's talk about drones. So you guys know I love drones. I love DJI drones. I love everything about being aerial. I love creating aerial content. So I love everything about this takeoff aerial imagery. But when it comes to the form factor, I mean, look at those sizes. Huge, big, ultra small. I mean, it looks like the Phantom 4 Pro and the Mavic Pro had sex and this came out. This bad boy is crazy. It's just like small. I mean, look at this. iPhone 10 Mavic Air. This is exactly the same size as my phone. Wow. So in this video, let's talk about this guy. Oh yes, let me just show you the carrying case's form factor as well. Phantom 4 Pro carrying case. Huge. Mavic Pro carrying case. Still big. Mavic Air carrying case. All it needs is the space in your, maybe inside your chaddi or maybe your hoodie. This is all it takes. Alright, I know I'm late to the party, but it has got reasons. I did not get this Mavic Air for myself. I already have the Mavic Pro and DJI Phantom 4 Pro Obsidian, and I'm just waiting for the Mavic Pro 2 so that I can just go ahead and use my old Mavic Pro as my racing drone. That is going to be altogether a separate wicked vlog. I cannot wait to shoot that next weekend. Well, in this video we are just going to talk about this DJI Mavic Air. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, give you 5 or 10 reasons why I love it, 5 or 10 reasons why I hate it. So then it's all about your decision, whatever you are looking to buy it, like Mavic Pro or Mavic Air, or wait for the Mavic Pro 2. In case you are looking to buy it right now, I would absolutely go ahead and put the links below in the video description. Go ahead and get it. Happy flying. Quick unboxing. Now the box content. Box. Throwing the box. Carrying case. The drone case. The smart controller. DJI Care Refresh. Paperwork. Too much paperwork. The propeller guard. Extra batteries. Charging hub. The adapter. Power cable. 2 extra propeller sets. The connector for Android. The remote sticks. The USB adapter. 1 flat USB-C cable. Remote adapters for various phones. The drone. The drone. Wow. Okay, so now the 5 or 7 reasons why I love it and why I recommend it. So this does 4K at 100 Mbps bitrate. That is crazy amount of data for this cheap drone. And this even does 120 FPS at 1080p, which is amazing for low height slow-mo shots. This is just 2.7K at 60 FPS. And finally, we have the obstacle sensors on front, back, downwards, and finally, those obstacle sensors actually work in the active track mode as well, just not the profile mode. Super awesome. And the tap fly is updated to 2.0, the mode which I use. And this has an internal 8GB memory too, so just in case you forget to carry your SD card, you can still get your shots with this. And talking about the form factor, this is wicked small. You can just smuggle it inside your chaddi while walking out of the airport. Now let's talk about the bad things which I hate about the Mavic Air and you need to keep in mind. First, no manual control of ISO and shutter during the active track. Second, the gimbal up and down custom button is missing and I have no idea if DJI is going to add that in the firmware or no. The Wi-Fi thing is really dangerous because if you are someone flying in urban areas which has like hundreds of routers and devices online which is being used at 2.4 GHz, absolutely not recommended to fly in such areas. You are going to lose signal and might lose the drone as well. The portrait mode is gone. It's still there in Mavic Pro, but it's not there in Mavic Air. So basically, if you are someone who is into Instagram, IGTV, you cannot shoot IGTV videos with this because the gimbal doesn't move 90-degree tilted. And about the propulsion system, this is really noisy. I have no idea why DJI has done this because they already have silent propulsion system in the Mavic Pro Platinum, but this is really noisy. You are going to disturb a lot of people while you are taking off. About the flight time, it's really low. It doesn't go more than 20 minutes or so because the battery capacity is less. So you are going to need more than 3 batteries maybe. And those batteries are not cheap, they are really expensive. Now how to get it in India? You have got like 2 options. First, you can just go ahead and click on the video description. I have placed the Amazon India link. Go ahead and get it. You are going to get a tax bill against it. but absolutely no warranty because drones are still illegal in India to sell. But if you are looking to save money, you can get it from the black market for I guess 5,000 or 6,000 cheaper, but absolutely do not recommend that. I recommend getting it from Amazon because you are going to get a tax bill against it. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have got any questions about Mavic Air, let me know in the comment section below. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated. I will see you next time, and I will keep flying.